Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 truck's powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine emitted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, integrated trailer braking system, dual USB ports as well as an outlet, and we have our dual glove boxes, all black interior, and our black leather heated and ventilated seating with AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra, we do have the brand new 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Territory all-terrain tires. We have color matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 on the front door, and 5.3 liter V8 on the front fender. The AT4 does come with the factory 2-inch lift up front, making room for those big wheel and tire packages. Coming to the front of the Sierra, LED daytime running lamps, fog lights, turn signals, red signature recovery hooks, color matched front bumper and grille. Making our way to the back here, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped, crew cab short box. At the back of the truck, color matched rear bumper with dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, GM MultiPro tailgate, and LED brake lights. Jumping into the interior of the truck, we have our second row leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready with in-seat storage feature. A solid rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting, solid roof, dual USB ports, rubberized floor liners, and carpeted inserts installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.